The Roundtable event that AbilityNet and Deque organized was really beneficial for all the participants, as they got to air their concerns and challenges in a personal and closed environment with others who are facing similar barriers. They got to hear first-hand experiences from other experts about how they would face this and share ideas on how to scale their efforts effectively. My name is Ron Bene. I'm Director of Business Development for Deque Systems in Europe, and in this second video we're sharing some more thoughts of these accessibility leaders.
I'm Preety Kumar, the founder and CEO of Deque Systems. We've been talking to many different people, and the stories that we're hearing is that whereas in the United States it is more driven by litigation, in Europe it's a very different culture, and people want to just do the right thing.
I am Mark Walker from Mobilitynet. I'm the head of marketing. What keeps the whole thing flowing for so many of us who are in accessibility is the people that you meet who really want to do the right thing. Get the right people in the room, get them talking on something, and they're going to get value out of it. That's what we've done well, I think.
I'm Heather Hepburn. I'm the accessibility lead at Skyscanner, and I'm based in Scotland, in Glasgow. Training is super important, and you have to keep training. Once you've trained once, it's not over. You have to keep on sharing knowledge and keeping on talking about it all the time. And I think everyone has to be part of what you do in terms of accessibility. It's not the job of the engineers, it's not just the job of the designers, it's everyone. And everyone has to be on board. And that can be challenging.
My name's Chris Bush and I head up the design group at Nexer Digital. I think the biggest thing that I've learned around accessibility and building it successfully into teams and organisations is starting small, recognising where you can get those victories, where you can find the good things that you can share with the team, get engagement, and essentially use that to take yourself further. So start small, build, take it easy. Don't be hard on yourself.
I think the most important thing is to try where you can to get user insight. So actually work with people who do have access needs to try and understand what their challenges are and to share those with the team. Because if you can put that knowledge in the team, that's where the success comes. That's where the good things happen.
My name is Brian. I'm an accessibility lead at Aviva. I think the really important thing to remember is that accessibility is for people. So in my team, our main role is to speak to people and really understand what their challenges and their needs are, and then help to spread that throughout the organization, either through workshops or playbacks of research sessions, so that people can see how their products are being used by people from all walks of life.
I'm Zoe Portlock. I work for Hargreaves Lansdown, which is a financial services company based in Bristol, and my role is Senior Accessibility Experience Designer, and I lead digital accessibility at HL. The next challenge for the next year will definitely be embedding at scale, giving people the skills that they need and the confidence to use those in the work around them, rather than working with a dedicated accessibility team. We want people to be able to do that independently and confidently.
The thing that's really important is to, especially if you're in a large organization, is to find your allies. So find the people around you who are really interested in accessibility and who can help on the ground to spread the word. And that's more of a maybe sideways or bottom-up approach. But then equally, it's really important to have that top-down approach. So you need to find a senior sponsor, somebody who can help amongst the executives to get the backing and support for accessibility at the very top of the organization.